How to log into AOL Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into AOL Mail account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log into AOL Mail account, all you have to do is to simply open up your browser. Then once you open your browser, just go ahead and then type in AOL Mail. So once you type in AOL Mail, you'll find mail.aol.com. Simply go to here, and then all you have to do is you can simply tap the login option there. So you can tap on the login option over there. Then after you've done that, you simply need to make sure to enter your username and the password of your AOL Mail account. Then once you've done that, just enter your password, tap on next, and you'll be successfully signed into your AOL Mail after you verify with a couple of details. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.